Assalamu alaikum students. This is lecture number 2 for the students of class 6 social studies related to the summer vacation task for the month of April. Students, in the previous lecture we have discussed about activity number 1, and in the current lecture we will discuss activity number 2, activity number 3 and activity number 4. Students, in activity number 2 you have to watch a movie review 1 which is available on internet, and once you will watch the movie then you have to answer these questions. The questions have already been mentioned on your page. Question number 1: where in the map Brazil is located? Question number 1 is related to the map of Brazil. Okay. Question number 2: what is Rio de Janeiro? This is question number 2. Rio de What is Rio de Janeiro? This is question number 2. And question number 3: what type of climate this region experiences? Climate of Rio de Janeiro. What type of climate this region experiences? This is question number 3. Question number 4: what kind of animal species are found there and why? Question number 4: what kind of animal species are found there and why? Animal species. Okay. Students, once you will watch the movie then you will be able to answer these questions. However, I am going to provide you some kind of information about Brazil as well as about Rio de Janeiro. Brazil is a country which is situated in the South America continent. In the continent South America, Brazil is located. And Brazil is situated in the southern hemisphere. The world is divided into two hemispheres, northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. So Brazil is located in southern hemisphere. And Rio de Janeiro is a seaside city of Brazil, a huge seaside city. And this particular region experiences summer season, or summer season falls between December to January. Summer season falls between December and January, and the winter season runs between June and August. Vice versa from the northern hemisphere. In the northern hemisphere, the winter season falls in December and January, whereas the summer falls in June, July, August, and the situation is vice versa in the southern hemisphere. In the southern hemisphere, where Brazil is also located, so the summer season falls from between December to January, and the winter runs between June to August. Okay. Students, dogs, foxes, wolves and deer, these are the famous animals which are found in abundance in Rio de Janeiro. And let me to explain, students, that Rio de Janeiro also receives almost 300 mm rainfall throughout the year, and this is a very rich greenery area, having very rich pastures and a large number of crops also grown here. And this particular city is famous for its attractive beaches as well. So these are some kind of information which I have given to you, and you have to watch the movie as well as then you will be able to answer the questions which have mentioned on the page which you have already received. Students, then we will move towards activity number 3. In activity number 3, I'm going just to provide some information about activity number 3. In activity number 3, you have to select a country of your choice, Islamic country of your own choice, and you have to write some sentences about its historical background, climate, vegetation, and tourism as well. You have to write some sentences or few sentences about the historical background of that particular Islamic country, about the climate, about the vegetation, and about the tourism, as well as about the map. Students, inshallah, in the next video I will provide information to you about activity number 4, and that will be the last activity. After that we will also go through the assignments. First assignments, there will be 10 MCQs, and you have to choose the correct option about those MCQs. Inshallah, in the next video we will do that. Thank you, students.